roses for your 50th birthday.
Ah! May ganito!
Oo, syempre.
Happy birthday.
You sit down.
Wow! Mami, sit down, sit down.
There.
Why?
Dali.
Ang dami
Doon
yan.
ka, doon ka.
Ang dami niyan. Ito, saan mo nalagay ito?
Diyan lang yan.
Yan lang yan.
Dampit. May ganito na ako. Are you ready for the Ha? May ganyan?
Siyempre.
Ano?
Mami, tanong ako sa'yo. Boy, iling yan.
Oh my
Thank you so
God.
much, Mom, for everything. Alam mo, I am deeply grateful to have you as a mentor. Wishing you happiness, success, and countless blessings today and always. In your special day, I love you.
Hi, Mom. Happy birthday. We wish you all the best in the world as you step in another milestone today. God bless you more and more, and may you also be a blessing to so many people like me, like us. Thank you for the inspiration, and celebrate with you soon. Happy birthday! We love you. God bless. God bless.
Oh my God.
Hi, Miss Beth. Happy birthday. Thank you so much po for the guidance, for the gift of friendship, and for the support po kahit hindi na po tayo mag-work with. Sobrang grateful po ako.
Ting, dito, Mami.
And ayun po, sana i-enjoy yung special day nyo, Miss Beth. Mag-relax po muna kayo. And I hope sana po maging masaya po yung pag-celebrate nyo ng birthday nyo kasi sobrang masaya nyo po yun. Yun lang, Miss Beth. Thank you, and dalaw po ako soon. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Miss Beth. You are one of the first people who have believed in me and saw my potential in SM. I will never forget po talaga, Miss Beth, our nearly hour-long interview that was just the beginning of our bond that went beyond work. You will always be my work mom, my go-to person whenever I feel like giving up or feeling ko ang overwhelming na po ng lahat. Your hugs, your warmth, your encouraging words, never po yun talaga pumapalya. I love you, Miss Beth. You know that, even though we're not on the same team anymore, our bond, our connection remains unbreakable. I love you and I wish for all your heart's desires.
Happy birthday po to my first work mom. Since this is your special day po, I would like to grab this opportunity to send my gratitude to you po, Miss Beth. I'm just super thankful that I was blessed with a boss like you, Miss Beth. Because honestly po, I really prayed for you, ma'am. I prayed that sana po, my boss will be super kind, understanding, patient towards me po, especially since this is my first job po. And the Lord really answered my prayer. You are my answered prayer, Miss Beth. Talagang po ako iiyak siya. But I also would like to apologize po for all of my mistakes because as I am learning and I am also committing mistakes po, and I'm really sorry for all those mistakes, ma'am. But I really promise to get better and improve po. That's why I'm really thankful po for your guidance, patience, and understanding
Nakiki-birthday yung dalawang
towards me, Miss
puso.
Beth. Okay, I'm wishing you happiness and all the things that you want po in life because you really deserve everything po. Happy birthday again, Miss Beth. Your work babies po, and I love you so much.
Hi, ma'am! Happy birthday! Thank you so much for your kindness and your patience and everything else in between. We will be forever grateful that we not only have
Wait ka lang.
access to all this, but we also have your teachings and everything that you've ever taught us and every knowledge and wisdom you've shared will forever be engraved in our memories and of course, hopefully, in our wisdom as well. Thank you so much, ma'am. Wishing you the best and wishing you good health, happiness, and of course, many more travels and rest to come. Happy birthday!
Hi, Miss Beth. Happy birthday.
Hindi rin namin
Honestly, you
given that parang everyday naman tayo nag-uusap, I bet sa akin sa Facebook. But anyway, like I said the other
Ang cute ng
day,
office niya, no?
I get to celebrate.
May collective.
So I just want to say thank you for being the best HRBP I've ever had. Even if hindi mo pinansin sa mga.
May grudge talaga siya dun.
And well, I guess I'm grateful because of, you know, some blessings in disguise. I'm glad that I get to talk to you the way I do today. And I honestly really love it pag nahuhuli ng HR hat mo. So sana that keeps happening. Anyway, so yun, I hope you have a great day today. And you know, you deserve nothing less but the best. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita! Happy birthday, Tita! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Tita!
Happy birthday, Tita!
I love you!
I love you! Happy birthday, Tita Beth! Thank you for the love. Lagi ka po mag-iingat sa work. I love you so much.
Hi, Beth! Happy birthday sa'yo!
Hi, Beth. Happy birthday sa'yo.
Maraming pa sanang blessing ang ipagdaloob sa'yo ni God. Dahil you deserve it, dahil mabuti kang tao. Naway maging masaya ang kaarawan mo. At naway magkaroon ka ng healthy ang body mo. At lagi kang ligtas saan ka man pumunta. At you deserve all the best in life. Happy birthday sa'yo. We love you so much.
Happy birthday sa'yo.
Happy birthday,
Beth. Happy birthday, Beth.
May you have many more birthdays to come. God bless.
Ano na?
I love you. We love you. Happy birthday. Thank you for all the things you gave us. Thank you.
Hello po tita, happy birthday. We wish you good health and more birthdays to come. Thank you po for your love support for us. And may God bless you and your family more and more blessings. Love you tita, happy birthday. Tita, happy birthday po. Thank you so much for everything. Super appreciated po namin yung love, yung supportiveness, and yung thoughtfulness niyo po. We're very grateful po to have you as our tita. Enjoy your very special day and more blessings to come po sa family.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Lord Beth. Wish you all the best in life on your 50th and beyond. Once again,
Happy birthday po, tita!
Happy
birthday po, Tita Beth. Thank you po for your kindness and generosity. We are so lucky po to have you po as a part of the family. Sana po maging masaya at puno ng love ang special day mo po. Wishing you po for health, happiness, and more blessings. Love you po, Tita. Happy birthday po ulit. Enjoy po your
Si
day.
Kuya Miko pinakauna.
Sige, Miko.
I truly admire your generosity, kindness, and hard work. Thank you so much for always checking on me whenever I'm sad. Thank you for being a girl's girl, you and Leia. I'm so lucky to have you both. May you enjoy every day of the year, not just on your special day. Happy birthday, I love you.
Hi po, Tita Ben! Happy birthday po! Sana po more blessings po na dumating sa inyo at healthy living po, yun lang po. At maraming salamat po sa mga blessings din po na bibigyan niyo po sa amin. Mahal na mahal po namin kayo. Love you po. Bye-bye!
happy birthday, Beth! Happy birthday, Beth! God bless! More years to come.
Ayan, malupit.
Happy birthday. And I wish you all the best and more birthdays to come. Being always ingat. And happy
Mag-ingat. Take care.
also to Duterte. Happy birthday.
Hi, Beth! Happy 50th birthday! Pasensya, hindi kami makapunta dyan. Kasi busy lahat. Wish you good health always. And more birthdays to come. And more blessings. Okay, bye-bye. Ingat ka palagi. Love you.
Hi! It's your 50th birthday. Happy birthday, ate. Happy birthday, golden years. Wish you were here. Thank you so much for everything. I miss you so much. Happy birthday. May God bless you more, more and more. Bye-bye. Happy birthday. We love you so much.
Big happy 50th birthday. More years to come. More blessing. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mommy!
Happy birthday, love.
Natagal lang kami kasi galing kaming Dangwa. For sure ngayon. Alam niya na kapag pinakita natin. Ganda, di ba?
Sobrang ganda. Ang ganda ng flowers.
Sobrang bango. Love you! Love na love ko namin. Super! Sana na-enjoy mo lahat ng video greetings kasi deserve mo lahat yun. Mwah! Wait ka na namin. Bye-bye!
Love you. Happy birthday.